Swati here. Let's start with our last module, which is regarding how to find the jobs in the digital marketing. So, in case if you have learned the course, you have a great knowledge, you can get a job in the digital marketing or you can start a freelancing career. That basically depends upon you. But see, in case if you are willing to find up a job in a digital marketing, or let's say you're willing to find a job in the content writing, or I can say as a social media marketer or social media manager or a YouTube, in the case of YouTube, if I say, so I am covering here the both the aspects to how to find a client in case if you're willing to do a side hustle, and apart from that, uh, the main entire topic is all about how to get a job in the digital marketing. So, starting with the few things I would like to showcase here. In case if you're willing to find a job in the digital marketing field, go to Google, and here you can type jobs for content writer. See, the first thing would like to tell you is that the entire job thing is dependent upon the what kind of job you're looking for. You're looking for full time, you're looking for remote, you're looking for a contract job, or you're looking for a part time job. That depends. So I'll just showcase how you can just find. Let's suppose you are a fresher and you want to get a job. You can go to the job for content writer. Here, whatever the jobs are available in the market, you will get through jobs through Naukri.com, Indeed. We have LinkedIn, we have Upwork for freelancing. Let's suppose we are just choosing a LinkedIn. So for the LinkedIn one, here is the result that's showing in the Kanpur, that this is the particular company that's hiring an intern. uh, I would like to make sure one thing, that if you are going for the internships too, always make sure that you're getting a certain amount paid for your internship. See, unpaid internship are not a bliss, I could say. Unpaid internship are that they will hire you, they will help you to complete all the work. You'll get some experience, but the point is that there is no monetary context. So I would suggest that always go for a paid internship or a certain amount of internship that's paying you something, even that is 2000 or 3000. I would personally suggest you that. Apart from that, what I can do, I can just help you in the case of LinkedIn and another platforms that how to find a job. So let me here show you an example of how it works. In case if you are looking for a jobs in content writing, what you can do, you can just type content writing here, go to the jobs, and here a different number of jobs are coming up. You can just apply. See, the best thing about here it is, either you can apply it online. If you want to apply it online, let's suppose I would like to apply for this job, travel writing editor, data and annotation, Delhi remote. I can click on apply, and I can just go ahead, and a new page will appear, that's like directly landing to the company's web page. So here the scenario would be, either I can apply through it, and the another thing I would like to tell you, always make sure if any of the company is having the hiring partner over here. In case if you are seeing someone who is personally, or I can so particularly related to one job, maybe that could be a HR, maybe that could be an owner. So let's suppose if that is an HR, so what you can follow on LinkedIn is that you can just go ahead and just a second, let me show you an example of it. See, whenever you are applying for a job, now at the end of it, either you will get a number, either you will get a link. Either apply on link, but the one thing is that whenever you are applying for any kind of job, here you would be getting a person who is linked to that job, maybe an HR or any particular person. Just a second, I'm not getting it. Let's see, if I'm just applying for this job, content writing internship in Pune, the another format you can follow is that go to this person's profile. Here, send them a connection request, or either you get approximately like, from here you can just connect with that person. You can get a 5 requests for a month for a normal account in LinkedIn. So you can just go ahead, connect with that particular person, and apart from connecting with that particular person, once the connection request is accepted, you can just go ahead and put up a direct message that, hi, I got to know that you're hiring for this particular role, and I would like you to please, I'm interested in this role and I want you to please connect with me. Here is my resume. Just attach your resume here and just wait. After 2 to 3 days, in case if you get a reply, it's well and good. In case if you don't get a reply, what you need to do is that you just need to politely take a follow up with that person. How that, it's like, I applied for this particular job. In case if my job is under like, if someone is looking after that, that's well and good. Try to be it in a polite manner, so that like the person can give you a particular clarity about it. Okay, so what you can do, you can just go ahead and pitch here. You can get a good number of jobs, not only in digital marketing, be it in any field. If you are looking for, this is something that I follow. Apart from that, what you need to do is that, in case if you are looking jobs and that are being posted, uh, like just couple of hours before, like 4 to 5 hours before. So what you can do is that, let's suppose you're finding a digital marketing job here. Just go to here, type digital marketing, click on this, go to the jobs. Sorry, sorry. So see, these are the jobs that are coming, and you can just apply for it, either for remote or either for full time. That depends upon you. But see, as the best thing that I could tell you is that, what you can do, you can just go ahead and click on this date posted. You can look for jobs that has been posted from past 24 hours. Go on this, apply the filter over here. See, you'll get the particular jobs that are remote working or that are on site from past 24 hours. See, what else you can do is that, in case if you want to see jobs that are posted today itself, let's suppose it's 1:15 here, and I want to see jobs that have been posted from morning till time today. I can just click on this. This something is 86400 coming up. Just remove it. It is a trick. Add 3600 and click on enter. As soon as you click on enter, it will take you to particular page. See how it works. We have added 3600. We can see the jobs that have been applied from like just couple of minutes ago. These 39 minutes ago, the little extra company put up a internship of beauty content creator. And when you scroll down, you can see YouTube marketing strategist, that's a remote job. Indian IPO, social media content creator. And digital marketing expert, Zimti. Apart from that, we have script writer for Flick TV, Happy Hire digital marketing manager on site Noida, senior copywriter for Mumbai position for a brand that's too organic. When you scroll down, marketing associate for Physics Wala and digital marketing manager for branded shoes. Let's suppose I just need to go ahead and I need to apply for digital marketing manager for branded shoes brand. Okay, so do one thing, click on this, open link in new tab. You cannot see any of the person that could be applied, or you can just apply for that. Okay, so either you can do directly apply for it, or I can say, let me show you one more thing. See, entrepreneur, we need a entrepreneur, or I can click on this profile. I can just go on particular thing, and then I can move to the more option, and then I can do the connect. Okay, send without a note. In case if you like messages available, you can add send with a note. Okay, in case if you want to just search few of the jobs or search any founders, you what you can do, you can just click on this. That will show all the people that are related to the particular business. And what you can do is that either send them a request. What it will help, the basically it will help in getting you more leads. It will help in getting you pitching the people for freelancing or for side hustle. Let's suppose you want to pitch someone for this. Okay, see, always to pitch someone for side hustle or a particular service, always make sure you go through their LinkedIn profile. You send them a friend request. In their LinkedIn profile, if something is added that they are the owner or director of a particular company, or this is something they are doing, so just try to experiment, just try to like research on that particular thing. Once you have research on that thing, you can just go ahead and then pitch accordingly. That if I want to just go ahead and pitch this person, his name is Radhakrishnan Iyer. So what I'll do, I'll say, and I'll type a script in the message that, hi Mr. Radhakrishnan, it's good to see your business blooming, and I could see you are a business owner at Sriram Silk Skills Center. So we have a different strategies that would help you to build your online presence and get you lead generation through different ads or an organic process. This is something you can explain and just take person to the discovery call. That if the person is interested, a 15 to 20 minutes discovery call, add the link and send it to them. In case if they're interested, they'll do go ahead and book a particular like slot for you, so that you can have a conversation with the owner of a particular brand, and then you can how explain how the things work, be it social media marketing, be it SEO, be it content writing, or anything. But that depends. The only thing is that you need to bring the person over the call to explain few things. You either cannot just see about the business and ask anything that this is I'll provide, and the owner will say yes, okay. This is not how the things work. The things work basically, you just need to provide a value. You just need to build a trust with the people, so that you can get good leads conversion for your business. Okay, getting my point? So that happens in the case of job, plus as well as that happens in the case of social media marketing. If you are choosing a project on contract basis as a freelancer, or you're showcasing yourself as an agency. ठीक है? So moving with the another point is that, let me close this and let me show you how another things works. So this is something how LinkedIn works, and you can just apply few of the jobs in the portal. Make sure you're just adding going ahead and adding a company name or adding good filters to find the job. Another thing is, I want to tell you, let's suppose there are few things that there are some people who put up content on daily basis. In case if they're putting up content on daily basis, so there might be like certain job opportunities and everything. So in case if you want to find a job as a digital marketer, let's suppose, see, in case if you want to find a job as a digital marketer, go to digital marketing, go to post. Okay, you are seeing here whoever the company would be hiring digital marketing in for internship, or the company sort by the latest one, not for the top match. Click on show results. Just give me a second, guys. See, I'm sorry. I could say that if you want to a particular like follow a job thing that you want to get a job here, go to post, go on latest. You'll find all the latest jobs for the companies that hiring or that hiring remotely. Okay, and if you want to see whatever the companies are hiring from past month, go on this. Okay, but make sure you're not falling into such kind of scams or traps that people are making urgent hiring job role remote. Location is Lagos and salary is like 1 lakh 50,000 nairas. But the point is that this is something that is a complete scam. Nobody will give you a good salary, or the location is obviously out. But the point is that there's no point of, I can say, there's no point of like focusing on such people who do not provide good jobs and provide it as a scam or anything. Okay, so let me show you one in case if any of the company is hiring. Here we'll get all the jobs. Just a second. It's loading. Let me scroll down. I'll see check you with one post if the company is hiring, because usually the HRs post all kind of content if someone is hiring for a digital marketer, or if someone is hiring for a content creator, content writer, and so on, because it is something that is known as the vast field. So I cannot just say that digital marketing is related to only one skills. There are multiple skills that one could learn that would include video editing, graphic designing, content writing, copywriting, and so on. Let me show you with the top match. And here, let me go ahead and change the filters, because in case if you know this. See, we are hiring. Sudhir Shetty is hiring passionate digital marketers to join the team. That's for the Erelgo Technologies Private Limited. Here is the digital marketing internship remotely. Graphic designer come digital marketer for Brain Vision Solutions. And we have Smart Bridge. Let me show you one thing. We have this HR. See, there are numbers also here. You can directly contact on this numbers. So this is how LinkedIn works in the case of jobs or finding projects. Okay, I've just give you a particular things that how it works. Apart from that, let me showcase few strategies about the things that could help you in getting the projects. In case if you're looking for a copywriting project remotely, go here, type copywriter. Okay, click on enter. Go on jobs. If you want contract job or a copywriting remote job, what you can do is that, see here, travel and wedding copywriter. ठीक है. See, sometimes it happens. How you can pitch a person for the project is that in case if you are going ahead and see someone is hiring, and you know do not get any details on the LinkedIn, go to Google, type owner of a particular company name and their LinkedIn profile. As soon as you add it, now what will happen? You'll get the direct LinkedIn profile of the owner, and once you get it, you can just send them a connection request. When the request is accepted, you can just see that if a person is hiring or he or she is having certain problems in online or social media marketing, you can just pitch them. Okay, once you have pitched them, you can just go ahead and settle a particular discovery call with them and then close a particular project. Okay, ठीक है. Another thing is that I just need to tell you that there are few other things apart from LinkedIn. We have Naukri.com to find the jobs in marketing, digital marketing, copywriting. Let's suppose you need to find a job in copywriting field. Go to copywriter, click on search. As soon as you click on that, here are certain companies that are hiring for the copywriter. You can just click on this, get the details and apply it directly. In case if you want to just add any kind of filters, salary filters, location, department, and all kind of filters are available here. And you need work from office or remote. If I am selecting remote, I can see. Getting my point? So I'll just get all the details for all the companies that are hiring for a copywriter, that too on a remote position. Got it? ठीक है. So these are the things that could be followed. And apart from that, what else I would like to tell you is that to find a job, always make sure you're not rushing into that process, because rushing to that process won't make any sense. Go find an HR, find the details, like whatever the company is exactly looking for. go ahead and pitch a particular person that I'm looking for a job in the company and I'm available for this particular time, or whatever the like service period you are having, notice period, what I can say. Okay, and then accordingly apply for the job. This is Naukri.com. We have Indeed as well, where you can get jobs remote as well as full time. So I can just go ahead and see. These are the particular job scenario that we have. The filter is added for the Kanpur, that is why it's showing all of the descriptions and location for the Kanpur area. Okay, when you'll scroll down, you'll see all the jobs that are available. In case if you want to find a particular thing for India, so I'll just go ahead and basically I'll add few things and change the filter here. See, Fropel Technologies is hiring for a remote digital marketer. See, in case if I have no contact here, I'll type Fropel Technologies. Fine. I'll just go through a website. Once I have gone through their website, what I'll do is that I'll just visit the website, that what it is all about. Check it, and then accordingly I can apply. See, I am adding a filter over here. I need to find a digital marketing job. That too, I need to find it all over India. It has taken. See, on the left hand side, it will get you an option for all the jobs, details, and everything. See, the entire thing is dependent upon how you're looking for the job. You can find the jobs through Instagram as well. See, if you want to just get hired into any kind of agency, I'll help you. There are many creators that are hiring for certain roles, such as copywriters, content creators, or we can say script writers. You can pitch those creators in their DM. Otherwise, you what you can do, you can just follow certain agencies page. They put up a different stories of like you we are hiring and anything. See, there's for example this creative agency. We have a form over here. If I'll just go ahead, I'll get a particular applying rule. Okay. So these are the current positions that are being uh, followed by the company that will help you to apply. Okay. So for this page, you can look about the company. This company is located in Mohali, Chandigarh, and they basically go ahead and provide all the services for memes, content marketing, and all the services. Okay. So you can just go ahead, add the details, name, email number, mobile, share your portfolio, or like what I can say is that resume, because portfolio is a quite important thing if you're working in content, video editing, or a graphics world. And choose your passion, tell something about yourself, and any kind of creative file you can add, that submit. You can just add it and go to this particular like scenario. Check it. So this is how the thing follows for getting jobs in the marketing agencies, or getting jobs, or getting, I can say, putting up the projects if you want to get the good projects in any of the, like working with different brands or working with different clients, I could say. But I would always like to say one thing: take a small step, start at the earlier stage, and then later on move to the big projects. Because if you do not know ABC, so you cannot directly reach to XYZ. Getting my point? You need to just learn a single skill, focus on that, and start working in that as an employee or as a full-time freelancer. That depends upon you. So I'm just ending this session. Thank you.